If you're selling physical products, you'll need to set up your shipping information for those products. So when you log into your Squarespace site, you want to head over to the Commerce section and then Shipping. And here's where you'll set up your shipping options. Now, I already have some set up, but I'll walk through the different options that you have. It's really only three options. The first is flat rate. That's where you apply a per order fee to any order, regardless of the amount of items. Depending on weight, which is based on the total weight of the products in said order. And then the third is carrier calculated by FedEx, UPS, and USPS. And with that, it's grayed out because you have to have a Commerce Advanced plan, and my site doesn't have that. So, but we'll walk through each one of these. So the first one is your flat rate option. And what you'll do is you basically just have to add in your option name. So you'll see, for example, I have we can do standard shipping, and then you could say 5 to 7 business days, however you want to explain it essentially. And then you have a per order fee. So that's no matter what the order is, this is the price that you're going to charge. So let's say $5. And then if a customer has multiple items in their cart, it will add on per item a price, an additional fee per item. So let's say I have $1. So for my coffee mug example, let's say a customer put 2 coffee mugs in their cart. They would be charged $7. And that's because you have your base fee of $5 and then an additional $1 per item. If the customer only put 1 coffee mug in their cart, they'd only be charged $6. We head over to the shipping zones. Here's where you can decide where you want to ship. So you can add in the rest of the world, or you can just add in the United States. And from there, you can even narrow it down. So if I hit edit, I can narrow down what states and territories I want to keep or remove. And then if you have the Commerce Advanced plan, you can also add specific zip codes that you would ship to. So this is a great option, narrowing down as far as shipping zones is concerned. If you want to offer free shipping in the city that you live in or the state that you live in, whatever you want to do, you could do that. So I am going to hit cancel just because I don't want to save that. As you can see, we can offer multiple shipping options as far as flat rate is concerned. So I have USPS standard set up here, and then I have USPS priority. So just different price points depending on the speed of the shipping. The next option is shipping depending on weight, and that again is based on the total weight of the products in the order. And what you can do is actually create ranges and set an infinite amount of ranges to cover anything that goes over your ranges. So if I click on this, again, let's just say, because we're not doing flat rate, we're doing weight range depending on weight. So I'm just going to say standard shipping, 5 to 8 business days. Again, just making that up. And then here you have your ranges. So it breaks it out. Squarespace will automatically add this for you. So 0 to 1 pound is going to cost $1. 1 pound to infinity pounds is going to be $1.50. You can go in and go ahead and edit those, add some, delete some, whatever you want to do, and change the cost accordingly. You have to have a weight for all of your products if you want to use the shipping option, and that's done in the product details section of when you add your actual products in. Again, you have your shipping zones, so you can narrow down specific countries, states, and then if you have the Commerce Advanced plan, you can narrow down by zip code. I'm just going to discard that because we're not adding it. And the last one is the carrier calculated. So what you can do if you have weight and package dimensions set up for all of your products, you can select, and you're on the Commerce Advanced plan, you can select carrier calculated via FedEx, UPS, and USPS, and it'll automatically calculate the shipping cost based on FedEx, UPS, and USPS rates. So it's going to provide the most accurate shipping costs. Just one thing to note is that a disadvantage of this is customers won't really know what the shipping cost is ahead of time until they enter in their zip code. But again, it's going to provide the most accurate shipping costs and potentially save them money on shipping as well. So that might be a good option for you. So that's shipping in a nutshell. One final thing I want to point out is this section right here. If you have ShipStation or an account with ShipStation, you can connect your Squarespace site to ShipStation and it'll automatically print the shipping labels out. And basically, if you're getting a ton of orders, you can batch shipments out. I won't walk through how to set that up or anything like that, but just so you know that that option is there in case you want to use it. In our next lesson, we'll go over email notifications, the kinds of emails that will be sent to your customers, and how to edit them.